Video content. Din.
Sali lang po tayo muna sa t-shirt taking. Okay, in character ha, in character. Yung post ng cosplay competition. Nanalo si Ana. Nahirapan ka ba? Cosplayers po natin mo. Are you a fan of anime? Oh, so what's your favorite? Ito nasa likod sa list. Anyways, did you watch the Demon Slayer premiere? Popcorn team also follow our page, and I think as well, in short, Popcorn. Again, I would also like to thank SM. Again, while we are competing for our winners for today, I would like to let you know the prizes for our 3,000 GC. Oh, GC, naghirap daw. Sabi na isang cosplayer. Ay, sige. Parang nakaisip ako ng bagong questions. While we're waiting for them, I have this another mic. How much is your costume? So, ayan, yung costume po nila ng cost ng 5,000 pesos. Ganun po mahal ang mag-cosplay. Thank you po. Sana all, di ba? Kapag nagka-anak ka na din. Ayan, isama mo sa cosplay performance at sumali kayo. Sana tayo sa judge natin ay isa si Adel. Yes, how much is your costume? Pili kami ng second hand na used but not abused. Tapos, yun na po yung gagamitin natin.
To you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Wish na na. Yay! Yay!
Hindi ka iya. Ano, inggit na si kuya. Wala
Yan, ang favorite ng anak ko.
Ingitan siya.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Jaman mo. Ayan guys, umorder kami dyan sa may The Juice Guy. Beat Me. Ayan yung mga ano niya, oh. Yummy. Healthy drink. Ayan naman yung sa anak ko. Berry Me. At ayan kanyang mga sangkap. Yummy.